It's 3rd of December, guys. Please watch Inside Edge. I don't think I need to say please because I know you will watch Inside Edge 3. Yeah, if you've liked season 1 and 2, you're in for much more, and it's very, very exciting, and it's much deeper, it's layered, it's beautiful.
I'd just like to thank the fans for all the love that they have showered upon us from the first season, second season, and it just seems to be snowballing into something truly crazy. And you know, we are really hopeful and cautiously optimistic that this season is going to blow your minds.
You know, it was difficult in terms of, and also exciting, and that's why I loved playing it, is because I really didn't know much about cricket. I mean, I was far away from understanding the analysis part and the data and what Rohini does and what her character is all about mostly. But there comes, you know, good writing, and the character was so well written, and everything that I had to say was really well written, but there was a lot of mugging up of lines. You know, there were like monologues of like pages and pages of statistics, and for someone to come in and make sense of the stats, and then say it and say those lines and monologues in a way that she is so passionate about, but also she has great understanding, and sometimes other people who are listening to her are like, okay, what are you talking about again? And it takes other people to, it takes them time to understand and grasp what she's trying to say. So that was the, not difficult, but like exciting part. But Karan here is a fantastic teacher, I would say, and he would literally make me understand what I am saying, the meaning of the words, you know, the meaning of the technicality about which I was talking. And yeah, I mean, I think him and Saurav Dey, who was the writer, and the writers, who, you know, they were, you know, some of them were on set, really helping us, and especially me, with everything.
Well, season 3 was always going to be a little different from the first 2 seasons, which were focused on T20, and this one is about Test cricket. We definitely had a good plan in terms of where we wanted to go, whether it was the origin stories of the characters, whether it is you know, the politics behind cricket in India, whether it is you know, lots of personal themes that you haven't seen before that are there in the show that I'm not going to give away as spoilers right now. So there's always a lot of drama that is hard to squeeze into one season, and every season, by the time we get around to writing it, there's so much more material that sort of real life gives us that it's not that big a challenge. The challenge is actually sifting through all of that and, you know, assigning it to the characters and figuring out who's going to be doing what.
I would be very, very excited, and I am hoping that someone casts me in a sports film. They were making, you know, a cricket film, and I was hoping I get cast in that. Someone in some, you know, the listicles, someone said that I should play Hima Das in her biopic, and I am really hoping someone is listening to this and casting me, because I would be really. There's a very interesting script about football, and I don't know if it'll happen ever. But I did play a little bit of football in school, and, you know, in Bombay a little bit. So I'd be very, very psyched to play any sports actually. But obviously you have to give it that time, you have to train really hard and really well, like these boys did for Inside Edge, and do it well, you know, otherwise what's the point?
See, luckily between season 2 and season 3, we do not have too much downtime. Like we literally wrapped the second season, we got into prep for the third season, started our cricket camps. We actually started the shooting schedule with the cricket-based scenes, which was actually great in a way, because those are pretty hard, and this time because it's Test cricket, so we had to shoot during the day, which I now have newfound respect for Test cricketers, because it's bloody difficult to do that, you know. So once we got that out of the way, we were able to like focus on the more dramatic elements, and, you know, like the different equations, and picking up old threads, forming new alliances with different characters. So it was, I wouldn't say difficult, it was Inside Edge is like my playground, like seriously, like figuratively and otherwise, because I have a blast working with all these guys. They are very open to your own interpretation of how you would like to go about a scene, and also with each subsequent season, and I think Shavani will agree with me on this, that they have given us a lot more leeway and they have a lot more confidence, because we have lived with these characters for a while now. I think it's almost 5.5 years since we first started performing and enacting these characters. So they give us a lot of that and they empower us. So for me, I wouldn't say difficult, I just feel like another day in Candyland. I had a blast. So yeah. One instance I can narrate to you is that I think a couple of months after we finished shooting for the third season, there were some matches. There was an international match happening at the same stadium, and I'm like, my God, I mean, how cool is it? Like, MSD is batting on the exact pitch that I was batting as Vayu Raghavan just like a few months back. So it really puts things into perspective, you know. And I think that's one of the greatest things about being an actor, that you get to visit places, interact with people, and be placed and sometimes hurled into situations that would never ever happen in real life, you know. So it's fantastic. I mean, it's been a trip.
Just the high of being in the middle of a stadium, and even for me, like
absolutely
forget just to stand there, because that's, I guess, part of the thrill, right? I mean, as cricket lovers, you just want to be there and take guard, and you know, the whole stadium. Yeah. This is like all our fantasies coming.
Yeah, absolutely. I remember in the first season of Inside Edge, in the script, it was just written Vayu comes out to bat. It was not like, and the day of the shoot, I get to know that I'm getting this crazy introduction where I walk out from the dugout and go out to the middle. And at that point, man, the lines were blurred. I didn't know, was I acting? Was I just, you know, it's surreal. Even today when I watch it or like I think about it, I'm like, never before in my life, and especially in my career, has a moment like that where reality and real life kind of transcended to form like the perfect storm. That was fantastic. So yeah.